Inseam buttonholes are a clever way to create a professional tailored buttonhole using the seam of the garment. They can elevate a tailored jacket or coat beautifully and eliminate the need to sew a traditional buttonhole, which can be particularly difficult on thick woolen fabrics. Hello and welcome to the Sewing Whisperer and another video in the Buttons and Buttonhole playlist. If you're just joining me, you'll find the complete button and buttonholes playlist linked below, where we start with buttonhole theory and work all the way through to advanced techniques. If you'd like to sew along, there's a free downloadable pattern linked in the description below. Here's a coat from my own wardrobe, and you can see the seams where the buttonholes are placed. This is a classic peacoat design that certainly stood the test of time. Let's get started. Print and cut out the pattern. Cut the fabric. For the complete sample with both the left and right hand side, you'll need a pair of upper main pieces and a pair of lower main pieces. You'll also need the same cut-in fusible interfacing. Mark the buttonhole positions on one of the upper panel's fusible interfacing pieces. This will form the buttonhole openings. Reinforce pieces with fusible interfacing before you begin. Place the upper and lower right main pieces together with the marked buttonholes visible and sew the seam, stopping at each buttonhole marking. Reinforce the stitching at each end of the buttonhole opening, but don't sew across the opening itself. Press the seam open. Fold the sample in half, aligning the seam you've just sewn. Pin through the seam to make sure the two sides remain accurately aligned. Top stitch along both sides of the seam. Top stitch along the front edge of the seam. The seam allowance around the buttonhole is quite secure and can be left as is. However, if you're working with an especially bulky fabric, you can hand stitch the edges of the buttonhole opening to reinforce them. My black coat has additional stitching around the buttonhole, but it isn't very visible against the black fabric. On a lighter coloured fabric, I don't think this would look as clean. I prefer to leave this buttonhole neatly secure without the additional visible stitching. Now let's construct the left side. Place the upper and lower panel pieces together and sew the seam. There's no need to leave a buttonhole opening on this side. Press the seam open. Fold the fabric in half, aligning the seam, and top stitch as before. Top stitch along the front edge. Mark the button position 3 cm or 1 1/4 inches from the front edge. Attach the button. Note, when sewing a button from a thick fabric, don't pull the thread too tightly. The button needs a little extra room so the fabric isn't pulled when the garment's closed. Test that the button slides easily through the buttonhole opening. And that's it. You now have the skills to create tailored inseam buttonholes, a clever technique that gives jackets and coats a beautifully professional finish. Up next, we'll look at hand-sewn buttonholes. This technique is synonymous with custom tailoring and offers an elegant finish for tailored and bespoke garments. Slow fashion at its truest. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.